inefficiency of targeting low yield overseas markets, or wasting resources trying to bypass the administrative gatekeepers of the cold emails and generic sales pitch for getting your first export order. No response to the cold reach which generally you carry out. You are not alone. Thousands of exporters from around the world have reported these weaknesses of export marketing process, especially for new exporters. I have brought this new course titled Advanced Step by Step Guide to Getting Your First Export Order, Any Origin. This course is part of Vijesh Advanced Export Import Mastery Courses series. This course is a systematic, data driven guide designed to replace the guesswork with precise market identification and strategically finding the right overseas buyers. First, this course consists of structured high value video lectures and lessons. You will go through where you will learn to deploy things like the macro export marketing filtering methods and export market filtering funnels, deep B2B data enrichment to target the right overseas buyers, crafting warm, insight led value sales pitches, and establishing institutional trust through the use of the so called compliance deck. So, enroll today to access the frameworks taught in this premium course and scale your international trade operations securely. Learn to get your first export order faster from any origin country, wherever you may belong to in this world. The objective of this course is to provide you with a step by step framework to help you move from old data to a serious shortlist of high potential, high value export markets and overseas buyers.